Hi guys, today we talk about Huawei Mate 60 Pro. It's launched on August 2023. The dimensions of Huawei Mate 60 Pro: height 6.44 inch, width 3.11 inch, thickness 8.1 mm, and the weight is 225 gram. And the build of Huawei Mate 60 Pro, it's come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Huawei Mate 60 Pro, it's come with LTP OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.82 inches with 88.5% screen to body ratio. The screen resolution is 1280 by 2800 pixel, means 1.5K, and the PPI intensity is 440. The refresh rate is 120Hz and it's come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. And the protection of Huawei Mate 60 Pro, it's come with Huawei Colon Glass 2. Let's talk about the platform of Huawei Mate 60 Pro. It's come with Harmony OS 4.0. The chipset is Kirin 9000 S7 nanometers. And the CPU is Titan Big. The GPU is Melo 910 and the memory of Huawei Mate 60 Pro, it's come with 12 GB of RAM, 256 5, 12 GB of ROM and 1 TB, and it supports nano memory cards. The camera setup of Huawei Mate 60 Pro, it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, and it supports 4K 60 fps video. The front camera is dual camera setup, 13 megapixel and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it's got 4K 60 fps video too. The battery backup: Huawei Mate 60 Pro come with 5000 mAh battery with 180 watt fast charging, and it supports 50 watt wireless charging and 20 watt reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speaker, Face ID, USB Type-C, infrared port, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 3.1, IP68 resistant, and stereo speaker. The price of Huawei Mate 60 Pro is $899.